Do you want to build a career in cloud or DevOps but feel confused? Because there are too many cloud providers like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, also too many DevOps tools like Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform. There is no clear direction. That's what I've started a YouTube channel SR Tech Official to learn in a right way. My name is Pinchal Prasad. I have 20 plus years of IT experience and having 10 years of experience in DevOps and cloud. Many people will try to build a career in cloud and DevOps to get high packages. Nothing wrong in it because cloud and DevOps skills are high demand in market always. Even most people will start learning cloud and DevOps, but they do a lot of mistakes in beginning stage itself. As people will start learning AWS cloud today, tomorrow they will jump to Azure, Google Cloud and others. Same in DevOps. Today they will start with Jenkins, tomorrow Docker, Kubernetes. At end of the day, they will feel difficulty to understand these tools and they will lose the interest and they stop learning. That's what this channel exists. I will give a clear roadmaps to help you to learn in right way. Also, you can get free cloud courses like AWS, Azure from basic to advanced level with real-time use cases. I'll give step-by-step guidance. You can get Linux and shell scripting courses also. Also, you can get a real DevOps and cloud interview question and answers, which you can get in a real interviews. I'll be posting mock interviews so that you can get a very good confidence to attend in a real interviews. I'll be posting career guidance videos. In that videos, I will be explaining you how to use AI technology in your day-to-day activities. Also, I'll be guiding you how to grow with AI in your careers. And I will be posting the videos like general topics about IT industries and new technology trends. If you're serious about your cloud and DevOps career, this content and this channel will help you really.